Hello. Hello. Okay, just a minute. Just a minute. Hello. Ladies and gentlemen. Hello. Is that if you start with the constituency MPs, people walk away after voting. It's not because of anything. That's the tension is always on the constituency. Very few fights come because of the ladies. So we start with the ladies because their election is always peaceful. If you start with the men, you'll never even make women vote. Look at the structure elections which we had. We had structure election recently. There's mainstream and special interest group, the leagues. We start with the leagues and end with special interest group. And the petitions were more in the mainstream than the special interest group.
Dr. Tango Deche cyanashobora no kureba ngo hari abantu bebuza abacuburu rw'abashija bubwo abagwinjo okutanatana ona no bururu rw'abacyara cyo yanageza kushobora akwa karukera izoba twareba ngo abacyara nibo banza kuterera akaruru then bwanyuma bija batera abashija niyo shonga bwaki baza kushanga ngo bushija ubururu rw'abashija bwababwinji na nubaga ubwo no mwamika wese buma kurokeza akaruru mwakantunge ebigambo bye.
Now you are making a lot of noise. He's already tired. Kindly. Let's keep quiet so that he goes on reading. These are some of these results. Please,
I want to do this. We read the South as you compile that. Order? Come again? I make a ruling on this.
Eki kiwahurira nokushara abo basaketa kavuyo kasitari kamwe na kamwe. Kiro mwanyogu akaruuru akantunja konka nga TV West ehire kumatikuratiriza enshonga ezi abatero bururu bari bashaba barugisa bagiki bagamba kuba batekateka mwenshobe nyingi za rugumba barugistra ogwo no mwamisibe umaka wese rukure bikeza akaruuru katumwakire tutonje kura amaraka geye.
No, what should I say? No, today, please, who carried out that election? Come on, please, listen. Let's be civic enough. The one who carried out that election, it was not Wilbur. No, the one who carried that election, it was a lady. And her work, she's a division. She was in charge of Biharwe. This, you mean this is Kasanyaraze? Buremba one, this was Moses. The division registrar? No, I think not the division registrar. No, not the division registrar. not the division registrar, not at all. Me, I'm saying, gentlemen, I've said let's be civic enough. Let us listen to each other. Let us listen to each other. So me, I'm saying, so ladies and gentlemen, I think with North Division, we shall sit as a team with the doctor and come out with a decision about these three. Doctor, I think this is what I think. We may not finish this here. We may not finish this here.
Yes, please.
Enshonga ne Okubara akaruuru aka ariho emyanya ibashanga ngo ubururu bweyongire na rucishumere ko katungo omwamyogo
that come from Harwe have votes, and the votes come from the division registrar, and they are all matching with one candidate. Why can't he be put in question to respond why he has results that do not come from sales and villages? I am trying actually. I'm trying actually to question his credibility of being a registrar when he has different results from that differ with the ones we have in sales. Why can't he answer us? Because all these questions and the burden is coming to the doctor and the registrar. Why can't he answer why he has different results?
Bring the microphone.
Ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, can you keep quiet? Can you keep quiet? Okay. Okay. Doctor, with all due respect, you listen to me. Isn't it? Very good. Doctor, they stopped me. Actually, these politicians influenced RCC and stopped me. You listen, Dr. Kai. When they stopped me.
I think first of all, I was quiet just to think that you would also keep quiet.
Yes.
So that I'm listening to his side. Why don't you listen?
When they stopped me, Mr. Kawesa said, I don't have mandate to stop someone. Because doctor instructed very clear, you are my boss and he is my boss. Nobody else, no a politician or any other person that can stop me. Doctor, Mr. Kawesa told me that I will transfer you. But why are you listen. I will transfer you to here. I did not work in Harvard today. I did not even appear in Harvard today. The problem is here. You get it? And doctor, whatever I'm giving you, I'm picking from here when people are here and submit to you. So, doctor, you should not be covered. And they will be properly. You are not the one who will bring to me.
Ensonga akaruuru imintu nk'okubyemerire nibateekateeka Booma Mbarara registra namunonga b'ekibiina kya NRM n'omwe omuri abo abariyo nibateeka emivuyo etari emwe n'emwe nazagarura omu studio tuze omu burango bubiri bushatu obu tugaruka namunonga ensonga y'okukwatiraine akaruuru kangarure omu studio turebe ebikugyenda omu maisho.
Abakampala bijire ekyo nikirungi nitwe turiyo nitwija
banywani noho ine chenjeji
anko nobasokozesa esimu yawe
twine momo
ruga mwani wirunda chenji
Webere munonga se.
Nanye bambe nasimu. Bituzone zinga?
Neshatu
nechweka.
Ego se.
Wanga wanje. Bishikano shwa sente zampo.
Konga anko, nobasa kuziha simu
Ukubiza
yawe.
muzane bisimu byawe. Oba tuyemeye umwe. Mwebale kutebekana sa. Nyo umukure anaruha. Kurugo mukasheshe ndio mukushopinga. Juma ijo yambe mutaye wa muhebe inta motoka. Muri muta.
Anko, no chibona abona. Kale nobasa kusita simu yawe okole sente.
Julia.